Well, hello, this is Geo, and I am one of the information girls, and I am here to show you how to set up your two-step verification for your YouTube channels. First of all, you must go to the email that your YouTube channel is associated with and log in as I have. Once you logged into your email, you will see a page like this. Next, you will go to the icon on the top right of your Gmail page. And then you will click there and you will get a drop down box. You want to click on Manage Your Google Account. Now, once you're on this page, you want to click Security. Next, you want to scroll down to two-step verification. And you can see here that it is turned off. So we want to turn it on. So we want to click two-step verification. Now, protect your account with two-step verification. Each time you sign into your Google account, you will need your password and a verification code. Add an extra layer of security. That is what a two-step verification code does. Enter your password and a unique verification code that's sent to your phone. It also keeps the bad guys out. Even if someone else gets your password, it won't be enough to sign into your account. And this is why YouTube stresses so much that we have the two-step verifications on our email that is associated with our YouTube channel. So let's get started. Okay, next you have to put in your password to the email. Here, you will see your phone number here, okay? So what it's asking you to do is to set up how do you want to get your codes. So you want to tell it text message. You can do a phone call if you want, but text message is just so much easier, okay? So after you tell it text message or phone message, you want to click here. Okay, Google just sent a text verification with a verification code to this phone number here. So you want to put in the code. And let me go to my phone and get the code. Okay, you only want to put in the numbers. So you would leave the G dash off and only put in the numbers. 338249. And then once you've done that, you click next. Okay, it worked. Turn on your two-step verification. So all you do now is turn on your two-step verification. And you're done.